We're here at the 19th annual Zaxbys Air Raid 4-on-4 flag football tournament. I'm here with Jerry Ayers. Jerry, speak about the event.
We have a nice event. We teamed up with Team Hoops to have a 4-on-4 flag football tournament out here. A great place to bring your friends, family. Each year we try to get bigger and bigger. There's areas for everybody to come out and play. Got great concessions, Zaxby's concessions, Team Hoops concessions. It's just a great day to come out and spend with your family, play a little football.
That is why we say it's showtime, baby.
Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, uptown.
Look at that move! She just made a great pass. Look at that pass. Excellent pass. She just made a terrific touchdown pass. Did you see that?
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
What a catch. What a catch. Whoa! What a play. I'm speechless. Touchdown!
They've got all kinds of chicken, sweet peas.
He could go all the way.
Field 6 will get started in just a moment. Thoroughbreds, the Juice Gang. First game up.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Interception! Touchdown! He just made a terrific pass.
Make sure to visit our Facebook page, our Twitter page. Follow us, like us. Well, you get all the up-to-date information. We'd like to thank all of the official 4-on-4 flag football sponsors. Zaxbys in Southern Indiana, Indianapolis. Liberty Mutual Insurance.
I'm here with Eliza from Court Physical Therapy. You have a website where we can find out where all the locations are. What is that website again?
It is just court.com, KORT.com, and all the locations are listed on there. So if someone's had an injury today, they can look us up and find where the nearest one is.
I'm here with Officer Scott Pierce of the Clark County Mounted Patrol. Just tell us a little bit about the Mounted Patrol.
The Mounted Patrol is mainly a search and rescue type thing. If someone gets lost in one of the state parks or something like that, they can call us. We also come to events like this and the county fair, Thunder over Louisville, and we can see over places, you know, over cars and stuff, somebody doing something in them or whatever, and it's easier to, better point of view.
Well, we would like to thank you and thank Sheriff Knoll for coming out to this event.
Cobblestone Hotel, right here in Charlestown. I think we had some people staying at Cobblestone today.
We're here at the Air Raid 4-on-4 flag football, Southern Indiana Pass Attack. We have divisions for all ages, male and female. Everybody can come out and have a great time. Now that you've seen the action here at Air Raid 4-on-4 flag football, register your team next year at teamhoops.com. It's showtime, baby!